Welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer struggling with high ping, lag, or connectivity issues in games like PUBG or any other online game, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to set up a WireGuard VPN specifically optimized for gaming. This will help you reduce ping, bypass geo-restrictions, and get a smoother gaming experience overall. WireGuard is one of the fastest and most efficient VPN protocols available, making it perfect for gaming. In this tutorial, we'll create two different WireGuard servers from two different providers, so you'll have options to find the best one for your specific gaming needs. Let's dive right in. First, let me explain why we're setting up two different servers. Different VPN providers have different server locations and performance characteristics. By trying multiple options, you can test which one gives you the lowest ping and most stable connection for your particular game and region. This approach gives you flexibility and ensures you always have a backup option if one server isn't performing well. Now, let's create our first WireGuard server. Open any web browser on your device and in the search bar, type VPN Jantit and press enter. From the search results, visit the official VPN Jantit website homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Once you're on the homepage, look for the navigation menu at the top of the page. Find and click on the free VPN menu option. This will open a drop-down submenu with several options. From this submenu, tap on WireGuard VPN to proceed to the next step where we'll actually create our server. Now you'll see a list of different server locations available. This is a crucial step for gaming performance. Choose a location that is either near your physical location or, more importantly, near your game server location. For example, if you're playing on Asian game servers, choose an Asian VPN location. If you're playing on European servers, choose a European location. The closer the VPN server is to your game server, the lower your ping will be. Once you've decided, tap on your preferred location to proceed. You'll now see an account creation form. Here you need to enter a username and password of your choice. Make sure to choose a password you'll remember. Check the reCAPTCHA box to verify you're human, then press the Create Server button to continue with the server creation process. Now wait for a few seconds while the system creates your server. This usually takes less than 30 seconds. Once your server is created, you'll see options to download the configuration file or scan a QR code. Download the configuration file to your device and make sure to save it in a location you can easily find later, such as your Downloads folder. You can also take a screenshot of the QR code if you prefer that method. Before we set up the WireGuard VPN client, let's create one more server from a different provider. This gives us a backup option and lets us compare performance between providers. Open a new tab in your browser and in the search bar, type SSH Tunnel and press enter. Visit the SSH Tunnel website homepage from the search results. On the SSH Tunnel website, you'll notice that login is required before creating a server. Look for the login or sign-in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and choose to log in using your Google account. This is the easiest and quickest method. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the menu where you can choose server regions. For gaming purposes, this is critical. You must choose a region that is near or within your gaming server's region. The menu typically shows options like Asia, Europe, and Americas. Select the region that best matches your gaming needs. After selecting your region, you'll see a list of specific locations within that region. Different locations may have different performance characteristics, so choose based on proximity to your game servers. Look for the Create button next to your preferred location and tap on it to proceed. In the next step, you'll see a form where you need to enter a username and password for this server. Again, choose credentials you'll remember. After filling in the information, press the Create button to continue with the server creation process. Wait a few seconds while the server is being created. Once the creation process is complete, you'll see your server details displayed on the screen. Look for the WireGuard configuration section and copy the entire configuration text. You'll need this in the next steps, so make sure you copy it completely and accurately. Great! Now we have two servers from different providers. This gives us excellent flexibility to test and choose the one that works best for our gaming needs. In the next steps, We'll import and use these configurations in the actual WireGuard VPN client. Let's download the WireGuard VPN client application. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. If you're on iOS, you'll use the Apple App Store instead, but the process is very similar. In the search bar at the top, type WireGuard and press Enter to search. From the search results, find the official WireGuard application. It's usually the first result and is developed by WireGuard development team. The app icon is typically blue with a white design. Tap on the WireGuard app to open its store page, then tap the Install button to download and install the application. The download size is quite small, usually under 10 megabytes, so it should install quickly. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the application for the first time. Now let's import our first server configuration that we downloaded from VPN Jantit. On the WireGuard app's home screen, you'll see a plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap this icon and a menu will appear with several options. Select Import from File from this menu. Your device's file browser will open. Navigate to the location where you saved the configuration file earlier. This is typically in a Downloads folder. Find the configuration file you downloaded. Important note, if you downloaded the file using a mobile browser, the file might have a .txt extension added to it automatically. If this happens, you'll need to rename the file to remove the .txt extension before importing it into the app. You can do this using your device's file manager. Once you've located the correct file, tap on it to import it into the WireGuard app. Now let's import the second server configuration from SSH Tunnel. Remember we copied the configuration text earlier? The WireGuard app can import configurations from files, or you can create them manually. Since we have the configuration as text, we need to convert it to a proper format. Open ChatGPT in your browser, or the ChatGPT app if you have it installed. In ChatGPT, paste the configuration text you copied from SSH Tunnel. Then type this prompt: convert this WireGuard configuration to a downloadable format. ChatGPT will process the configuration and provide you with a properly formatted version that you can download as a file. Download this converted configuration file to your device, again saving it in your Downloads folder. Now return to the WireGuard app. Tap the plus icon again at the bottom right, select Import from File, and navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the configuration file you just downloaded from ChatGPT and tap on it to import it into the WireGuard app. You should now see both server configurations listed in your WireGuard app. Perfect! Now we have both servers imported and ready to use. Let's test them to see which one works better for your gaming needs. To connect to a server, simply tap on the toggle switch next to the configuration name. The switch will turn on and the app will attempt to establish a VPN connection. Once the connection is established, you should see the toggle switch turn blue or green, indicating an active connection. However, just because the app shows connected doesn't always mean you have internet connectivity through the VPN. Sometimes the connection establishes, but doesn't route traffic properly. To verify your connection is actually working, open YouTube or any other website. If YouTube loads and plays videos normally, your VPN is working correctly. Another reliable way to check if your VPN is working is to verify that your IP address has changed. Open your browser and search for "What is my IP address?" or use any IP checking website. I'll show a recommended link on the screen right now. Before connecting to the VPN, check your IP address and make note of it. Then connect to the VPN and check your IP address again. If it has changed to an IP from the VPN server's location, your VPN is working correctly. Test both server configurations one by one using this method. Connect to the first server, check if it's working, then disconnect and try the second server. Compare the performance of both. When you're actually gaming, pay attention to your ping and connection stability with each server. The one that gives you lower ping and more stable connection is the one you should use for gaming. And that's it. You now have a fully functional WireGuard VPN setup specifically optimized for gaming. You have 2 different servers to choose from, giving you flexibility and backup options. This setup will help you reduce lag, bypass geo-restrictions, and enjoy a much smoother gaming experience in PUBG or any other online game you play. If you found this tutorial helpful, Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips, VPN tutorials, and tech guides. Drop a comment below letting me know which games you play and whether this setup improved your ping. If you have any questions about the setup process, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming!